So I got my LG C3 OLED Smart TV today, so I'm eager to unbox this and install it and replace my old TV with it. So in the box it's packaged very well because the glass here is so thin. In the package you get your booklet, the sturdy stand for the LG TV. So let's go install this. First I'll remove my old TV. Bye! Then I'll assemble the stand, which is pretty easy to do. Just insert the sturdy back here and then make sure that's screwed in really tight. You get the screws with the TV, so that's no hassle at all. Just screw the bottom in really tight and then screw in the front so that base really can't go anywhere. Then screw the base to the back of the TV. You also get the screws for this, so it's really easy. Just really tighten those 4 screws so the TV won't tip over. Then place your TV where you want it. Just make sure that you have a power outlet nearby. You have your power cable, just plug that in. Then you have a few extra cables, a optical digital audio out, which is cool for your soundbar, a LAN, which is cool for your internet, and HDMI at the back. So let's plug our audio in here. Then the Ethernet cable, let's plug that in so we can have internet. You have USB ports that you can use and 3 extra HDMI for 4 HDMI connections in total. And an extra USB on the side as well. Okay, now all we need is to add the batteries to the remote. Close that up. And then point and click. So this is the on button. This will first take us through setup. Now select the language. You can choose from all kinds of languages. Now it's searching for the internet connection. Because we attached the Ethernet cable, it will already see it. You can select the type of sound you want because we've put it on the stand. You should select that. You have different AI functions for the image quality as well as the sound quality. You can set it to always ready mode so you can use your voice to activate it. Like that you can use the remote to point on the screen, which is pretty fun to do. And you can already install your recommended apps, so like Amazon, Netflix or YouTube. So that way it will go to your apps and already pre-install this for you. And here's your home screen with all the apps you need, the different settings. So let's go to the PlayStation 4 here. That's the HDMI that I connected. And so the image is pretty clear. The blues are very blue and the whites are very white and the contrast is great. So you can play cool games with this. My son loves the Lego game, so let's look at that. The images are very sharp and the sound quality is pretty cool. You can also directly watch Netflix on your TV and directly watch Amazon Prime, so you have everything you need here. So I really recommend this TV for anyone looking for a really sharp image and a cool smart TV.